Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Champions League in USA. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now on the browser, on the search bar, we're going to search for Paramount Plus space Champions League. After that, click on enter. After doing so, just scroll down and then look for Paramount Plus right here and then click the first link that you will see. So after clicking, you're now going to be redirected into this part. We just have to scroll down right here and then look for the match that we want to watch. Now let's say for example that we want to watch this. So what we're going to do is to click on it. Now in this part, what we want to do right here is to of course choose our plan. So in order for you to watch Champions League, of course, you'll have to avail Paramount Plus subscription in order for you to watch it. So you'll just have to choose your plan right here. Let's say, for example, that you want to choose this Paramount Plus Essential. So we're going to click on Continue right here. And then, of course, we're going to put our name. And then, of course, put your password. And then put your zip code right here. After that, put your birth date. And then put your gender right here. After that, just uncheck this and then click on Agree and Continue. After that, of course, you'll just have to check your plan and of course the payment method. So just scroll down right here and then put your first name, last name, address, credit card number, and after doing that, just click on subscribe. Now, once you click on subscribe right here, all you have to do is to go back into the Paramount Plus homepage. And then once you do that, what we're going to do is to just go back into this part. And then since you are now subscribed, you can just wait for the live schedule to start streaming. You will now be able to watch Champions League. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.